Fasting, the act of abstaining from food for a set period, has been practiced for centuries for a variety of reasons. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, fasting has been a part of human culture, often intertwined with religious and spiritual practices. Historical records show that fasting was used as a means of purification, a way to seek divine intervention, or to prepare for significant religious events. While often associated with religious practices, fasting has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits. In today's health-conscious world, many people are turning to intermittent fasting as a way to improve their overall well-being. This modern approach to fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, and it has been touted for its ability to help with weight management, metabolic health, and even longevity. People choose to fast for weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and even enhanced cognitive function. Research suggests that fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote a healthier lifestyle. By giving the body a break from constant digestion, fasting allows for cellular repair and detoxification processes to take place. Enhanced cognitive function is another compelling reason why people fast. Studies have shown that fasting can improve brain health by increasing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. This can lead to better memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Some individuals use fasting as a tool to reset their eating habits or break free from cravings. By abstaining from food for a period, they can develop a healthier relationship with food, learn to listen to their body's hunger cues, and make more mindful eating choices. This can be particularly beneficial for those struggling with emotional eating or food addictions. Others incorporate it into their routine for spiritual or mental clarity. Fasting can be a time for reflection, meditation, and personal growth. It allows individuals to disconnect from the physical world and focus on their inner selves, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. Regardless of the reason, understanding the physiological changes that occur during a fast is crucial for maximizing its potential benefits and minimizing risks. During fasting, the body undergoes several metabolic shifts, such as increased fat burning, reduced insulin levels, and enhanced autophagy, a process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. It's important to note that fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution and may not be suitable for everyone. Factors such as age, medical history, and lifestyle should be considered before starting a fasting regimen. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions should avoid fasting or seek professional guidance. Consulting with a healthcare professional before embarking on any fasting regimen is essential, especially for individuals with underlying health conditions or those taking medications. A healthcare provider can help tailor a fasting plan that meets individual needs and ensures safety. By approaching fasting with knowledge and caution, individuals can reap its benefits while minimizing potential risks. When you consume food, your body breaks it down into glucose, which serves as its primary energy source. This glucose is absorbed into your bloodstream and transported to your cells, providing the energy needed for various bodily functions, from thinking to moving. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, helps transport glucose into your cells to be used for energy. It acts like a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose to enter, ensuring that your body maintains a stable energy supply. However, when you fast, your body undergoes significant metabolic shifts to adapt to the absence of incoming food. This adaptation is crucial for survival, as it allows your body to maintain energy levels and continue functioning even when food is scarce. During the initial stages of a fast, your body depletes its glycogen stores, a form of stored glucose, in the liver and muscles. Glycogen is the body's quick-access energy reserve, and its depletion marks the beginning of the metabolic shift. This typically occurs within the first 24 hours. As the hours pass, your body starts to feel the effects of reduced glucose availability, prompting it to look for alternative energy sources. As glycogen stores dwindle, your body begins searching for alternative fuel sources to keep your cells functioning optimally. This is when the body starts to tap into its fat reserves, initiating a process known as lipolysis. This metabolic switch triggers the breakdown of stored fat into fatty acids, which are then converted into ketones by the liver. Ketones are a more efficient energy source during prolonged periods without food, providing a steady supply of energy. Ketones become an important energy source for the brain and other organs during prolonged fasting. The brain, which typically relies heavily on glucose, can adapt to use ketones, ensuring that cognitive functions remain sharp. This transition to fat burning is a key metabolic adaptation that occurs during a 72-hour fast. By the third day, your body has become more efficient at utilizing fat for energy, which can lead to increased mental clarity and sustained energy levels. This adaptation not only helps in weight management, but also promotes cellular repair and regeneration, contributing to overall health and longevity. As your body depletes its glycogen reserves, it turns to stored fat as its primary fuel source. This process is a fundamental aspect of how our bodies adapt to periods of low carbohydrate intake or fasting. When glycogen, the stored form of glucose in the liver and muscles, is exhausted, the body needs an alternative energy source to maintain its functions. This metabolic shift, known as ketosis, is a natural adaptation to prolonged fasting. Ketosis is not just a survival mechanism, but also a highly efficient way for the body to utilize its energy reserves. It allows humans to endure longer periods without food by tapping into fat stores, which are a more abundant energy source compared to glycogen. During ketosis, the liver breaks down fatty acids into ketones, which are then released into the bloodstream to provide energy for the brain, muscles, and other organs. This process is called ketogenesis. The liver converts fatty acids into 3 types of ketone bodies: acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyrate, and acetone. These ketones serve as an alternative fuel, especially for the brain, which typically relies on glucose. Ketones are a highly efficient fuel source, offering several advantages over glucose. They produce more energy per unit of oxygen consumed, making them a more efficient energy source. This efficiency can lead to improved physical performance and endurance, as well as better mental clarity and focus. They can cross the blood-brain barrier, providing a steady energy supply to the brain, even in the absence of glucose. This is particularly important during fasting or low-carbohydrate diets when glucose levels are low. The brain's ability to utilize ketones ensures that cognitive functions remain sharp and stable. Additionally, ketones are less likely to be stored as body fat compared to glucose, making them a desirable fuel source for weight management. When the body uses ketones for energy, it reduces the likelihood of fat accumulation, which can be beneficial for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. The transition to ketosis typically begins around 24 to 48 hours into a fast and becomes more pronounced by the 72-hour mark. This timeline can vary depending on individual metabolism, activity levels, and dietary habits. Some people may enter ketosis more quickly, while others may take longer. This metabolic shift is a key reason why many people experience increased energy levels and mental clarity during prolonged fasts. The steady supply of ketones helps to stabilize energy levels, reducing the peaks and troughs associated with glucose metabolism. As a result, individuals often report feeling more alert, focused, and energetic during periods of ketosis. Fasting has a profound impact on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. When you eat, your body releases insulin to transport glucose from the bloodstream into your cells. However, constantly consuming food, especially processed carbohydrates and sugary drinks, can lead to chronically elevated insulin levels. Over time, this can result in insulin resistance, a condition where your cells become less responsive to insulin's signals. Insulin resistance is a major driver of type 2 diabetes, weight gain, and other metabolic disorders. Fasting, on the other hand, allows your body to take a break from insulin production, giving your cells a chance to reset and improve their sensitivity. By reducing insulin levels, fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to utilize glucose more efficiently. This can have significant benefits for weight management, blood sugar control, and overall metabolic health.